There's no better place to kickstart your academic journey in the bustling city of Leeds than the Plaza, a stellar student accommodation offering everything you need and more. Nestled in Clay Pit Lane, this stunning abode offers a selection of premium studios and convenient en-suites to choose from. Each well-furnished room features a snug bed, a bedside table, a mirror, and ample storage space to store all your essentials. Plus, an attached bathroom and a fully fitted kitchen upgrade your student living experience to the zenith of ease. But that's not all. Socialize and unwind in the outdoor social space and ace your academic game in the communal study area. Plus, enjoy the convenience of utility bills included in the rent and an in-house laundry service, saving you time and money. When it's time to unleash the nerd within you, Leeds Metropolitan University and Leeds Beckett University are both a short stroll away. Located at a short walk from the city center, living at the Plaza immerses you in the heart of the action. On weekends, catch the latest blockbuster at View Cinema Leeds, the light or indulge in retail therapy at Trinity Leeds Shopping Mall, both just a short walk away. Well connected to the public transport network, the Plaza ensures commute hassles are kept at bay. Sounds like an ideal stay to you? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com to book your perfect stay at the Plaza Leeds today.